His skeleton is another miracle. The vertebrae are reinforced with layers of collagen that do not shrink under pressure, acting almost like shock absorbers. When the submariners filmed them relaxing, they notice something frightening: they never blink. There's no need for that. Their eyes are constantly moistened and protected by a layer of transparent skin. Imagine that you never have to close your eyes because the ocean itself keeps them alive. If there had ever been a philosopher in the depths of the sea, it would have been Bathysaurus ferox, a deep-sea lizard fish that waits for the world to come to it. She's not stalking. She doesn't run away. He just lies there motionless as death at a depth of over 3,000 meters, where there has never been sunlight and the pressure could crush steel. Down there, movement is expensive, but patience is everything. Let's start with the eyes. Unlike most deep-sea predators, which rely on luminous lures or sensitive lateral lines, Bathysaurus has developed static precision optics. His eyes are massive, domed, and lined with guanine crystals, microscopic reflectors that amplify even the faintest photon falling from the surface. They are not created for beauty. They are designed to see the impossible, a silhouette moving in absolute darkness. What kind of teeth are these? Forget about Hollywood fangs. These are translucent needles that never stop growing. Teeth do not grow into the gums like ours, but grow directly into the bone. If one breaks, the other will grow right out of the jaw. The Bathysaur's mouth is a regeneration factory where tools are constantly being replaced. This is one of those deep-sea facts that few people mention. In an environment where food can come across once a month, your bite should work perfectly every time. Her body's design is deceptively simple, long, streamlined, almost snake-like, but the real innovation lies inside. Unlike most fish, it does not store fat for energy. Instead, she has a slow metabolism, an almost steady pulse, and muscles that function as biological batteries. Scientists who have studied his tissues have discovered mitochondria that can remain active at a pressure of more than 400 atmospheres. In other words, this thing was designed to survive in a place where even cars fail. If you like this kind of unfiltered deep-sea information, please like, subscribe, and support the channel. Because the more we explore the abyss, the more it laughs in response, and creatures like the Bathysaurus are the climax that evolution wrote in silence. There is another trick: he is both a predator and a scavenger. Bathysaurus ferox does not discriminate. A dead squid, great. A passing fish, supper. Its stomach contains everything from gelatinous plankton to other species of bathysaurs. Yes, cannibalism is practiced there, but not because of aggression. It's just pure efficiency. Down there, everything is either food or fuel. And now here's a strange fact. This is one of the few known hermaphrodite vertebrates in the depths of the sea. Each individual has both male and female reproductive organs. Why? Because down there you might not meet anyone of your kind for years. Evolution considered this problem and said, fine, find your own solution. Each bathysaur represents a self-sufficient entity, a single biological species. And perhaps the most memorable fact: their lifespan may exceed 30 years. They live a long, leisurely, deliberate life, waiting for movement in an ocean of stillness. When prey swims by, the lizard fish rushes forward at a speed that should not be possible for such an immobile creature. It's not about energy, it's about timing. Bathysaurus ferox is a reminder to evolution that survival does not always depend on dominance. Sometimes you have to wait longer than anyone else. This is the biological embodiment of a quote from Sun Tzu. If you wait by the river long enough, the bodies of your enemies will float by. Only in this case, it's more like bodies are going to be your next meal. Even its Latin name speaks for itself. Bathysaurus, deep sea lizard, and ferox, fierce. But fierce does not mean cruel here. It means relentless. There is no rage in his eyes, only the calm, inescapable logic of a predator who has solved the mathematics of survival. When you think about sea monsters, remember, the greatest hunter is not the fastest, or the largest, or even the smartest. This is someone who knows how to wait.